Hello friends, welcome to another new episode of How Hacks. Yes, I know it's been some time, but I really thank all my friends who have actually personally messaged me asking me why haven't there been any hack updates. So today we are going to do a hack which will come in use for mostly men. This is about drilling. When you use the drill machine, usually to drill in a screw or something on the wall, what happens is as you drill in, you can find the dust which falls down because of the hole that is being created on the wall. So how can you actually save yourself from after effects of cleaning that dust so that it will save your trouble? How can you collect it in a safer way is what I am going to show you. I will be showing two different kind of hacks, so use either of them, whichever would suit you, and I'll meet you directly in the hack. So friends, here I have taken a rough paper. You can take any size, A4 size also is fine. And what you would do is the longer side of the paper, you will fold it exactly till where you see the margin line. That's saying that if it's a plain paper, you would have to leave at least a little bit of gap on top and then fold this paper. After that, as you can see, there is a side triangle that I am creating on this paper. I will do the same on the other side as well. This triangle is going to basically be of help when we have to do our further folding. Here, as you can see, this is what it is going to look like. Now what we will have to do after this is you'll have to just open the paper up. You do not require the triangle, you need to just use it as a guide. So we will open this paper up, and as you can see, this fold is inwards and this one is outwards. We need all the folds to be facing inwards, so we will be folding the paper exactly in the same way. This is exactly how it has to be looking once you have done the inwards fold. I have not shown you clearly over here. I will show you on the other side how exactly it works. See, this is on the inner side, again this is on the inner side, and this fold again will be on the inner side. Only thing, the fold that you are going to use as a guide, all should be facing inwards. And as you can see, this will leave a V kind of shape. I'll show you on the other side clearly. As you can see, this is on the inner side. The other one as well, I am going to be folding it in a way that once we fold, we would get an inwards fold. See, and the middle as well, you would have it folded inwards. So you just bend on the middle and you get a fold in this way. This will take some practice, friends, till you actually get a hang of it. Now, as you can see, it's in a shape of a boat, the place where we fold it. So these two ends will remain open, which means it is not right. You need to secure it. So here on the other side, I will again show you. As you can see, this is the end we have to fold. So exactly Towards the end on the front side, I will make a longer V. A longer V means the end portion of it should be sticking out in this way. And once I fold it like this, I will then turn it with a fold on the inner side this way. After the fold, what you get is something which looks like this, a pocket type of thing, but the chances are that this could open up. So for that, to secure it better, either you use tape, or the easiest solution would be is this fold which we just put it inwards, we will put it into the pocket sideways. We will fold it sideways so it will hold secure. And we will do the same on the other side as well. Fold it inwards so that it's tight and it would not let loose when we are doing our work. So this is exactly how it's going to be finally once you have got the whole thing ready. Now this end that I just showed you would be taped. I would suggest you all taking a thicker tape which is more bigger and the ends and longer as well. So you will place the tape half on half, which means it will be half on the margin area or the area that you left the portion on top, and the remaining portion will be free. Now why it will be free is because this portion will be stuck to the wall exactly below the area where you're going to be drilling. So this is what I am going to be showing you all. This taped end which is remaining is what is going to be on the wall. Please friends, ensure that when you all stick this portion on the wall, you all will stick it light. You all will not press very hard on the wall. I'll tell you why later. Now when you all drill a hole over here, so whatever falls would fall into this pocket, the dust, and it will be collected here. The tape, why I said with soft fingers, is when you pull it out, there is a chance that the wall might get chipped and might stick on to the tape, because of which it would leave you with a permanent paint gone stain or a wall stain. That's why I suggested that when you all stick this, stick it with lighter fingers, but in a way that it's quite secure. It wouldn't fall when you all are working with the drill machine. So that was our first hack, friends, and the reason exactly I do not like this hack is because I believe that the tape, when you remove it, could chip off paint from your wall, because of which it will leave your wall with marks, with the paint stains which have already been chipped off. So let's have a look at the second hack and hope this would be helpful to you all. In this hack, if you see the orange tray placed below the drill machine, is basically the one on which you collect dust after brooming the floor. So as you can see, the dust that is falling from the drilling, can you see there's a light brownish shade that you see of dust, falls directly into the tray, because of which you wouldn't have to stick anything. I like this method. The only problem is you'll require a helping hand to hold the tray for you. Thank you, my dear friends, for visiting my channel, and hope you have liked today's hack. If you have, please do share it with your friends. And for those of y'all who are new on my channel, I sincerely request you to to please subscribe to my channel and do continue following me to get updates on my new upcoming hacks. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.